Welcome back to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating spaces you absolutely love. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into one of the most significant trends in contemporary landscape architecture, the modern steel pergola. If you are looking to create an outdoor space that feels sophisticated, permanent and architecturally striking, you've come to the right place. We will explore why steel is outperforming traditional materials and how you can style one to create the backyard of your dreams. A modern steel pergola is an outdoor architectural structure characterized by its clean lines, minimalist profile and industrial strength composition. Unlike traditional wooden pergolas that often feature ornate rafters or rustic textures, the modern steel version focuses on geometric precision and structural slimness. These structures serve as an open-roof framework, often featuring louvers or fixed beams, that defines an outdoor room without the visual bulk of a solid roof. By using high-grade steel, these pergolas achieve a sleek, high-end look that complements contemporary home designs, offering a perfect balance between open-air freedom and structural definition. Choosing steel over traditional materials like wood or vinyl offers a range of long-term advantages that go far beyond aesthetics. First and foremost is durability. Steel is incredibly resistant to the elements, meaning it won't rot, warp, or suffer from pest infestations like termites. Because of its immense structural strength, steel allows for much longer spans with fewer support posts, giving you a more open, unobstructed view of your landscape. Furthermore, steel pergolas are remarkably low maintenance. A simple powder-coated finish protects the metal from rust and UV damage, requiring only an occasional rinse to keep it looking brand new for decades. It is truly a set-it-and-forget-it investment for your home's value. To make your steel pergola look truly high-end, you should lean into the indoor-outdoor flow by using furniture that mirrors the structure's clean lines. Start by defining the floor space with a large, weather-resistant area rug to ground the seating area. Soften the industrial feel of the metal by adding organic elements, such as climbing vines like jasmine or wisteria, or by placing large potted plants like erica palms at the corners. Lighting is also crucial. Consider integrated LED strips hidden within the beams or hanging minimalist pendant lights to create a warm, inviting glow at night. By mixing the hard, cool surface of the steel with soft textiles, outdoor curtains, and lush greenery, you create a balanced, sophisticated sanctuary. When selecting items for your patio, prioritize heavyweight luxury. Modular sectional sofas with deep, weatherproof cushions provide a resort-style feel and can be reconfigured for different gatherings. A central fire table made of concrete or stone is a fantastic focal point that adds warmth and a touch of elemental luxury. For dining, a long wooden table with matte black metal legs creates a beautiful material contrast against the pergola. Don't forget the functional tech. Because steel pergolas are so sturdy, they are perfect for mounting outdoor televisions, infrared heaters, or even high-quality sound systems, turning your backyard into a fully functional secondary living room. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best modern steel pergola ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the industrial hearth retreat. This design features a heavy-duty black steel frame integrated directly into the home's architecture. It shades a luxurious sunken seating area centered around a massive concrete fire pit, proving that steel is the perfect companion for stone and turf. 2. Laser-cut elegance. A true statement piece. This pergola uses a custom laser-cut steel canopy that creates intricate light patterns on the ground. It is paired with a long formal dining set and ambient ground lighting, making it an artistic focal point for evening dinner parties. 3. The bioclimatic louver system. Function meets form in this bright, airy setup. The white and black steel frame features adjustable louvers that allow the user to control sunlight and airflow. It's a perfect example of how steel can look light and tropical when paired with palm trees and wooden decking. For the minimalist Zen grid. A simple, open-top black steel grid that defines a cozy conversation nook. By using slim pillars and a flat roofline, this design maintains an unobstructed view of the surrounding greenery while providing a sense of enclosure and privacy. 5. The suburban oasis. This expansive steel structure features side privacy slats that mimic the roof's geometry. It is large enough to house both a full dining set and a lounge area, showing how a single steel structure can create multiple rooms in a large backyard. 6. The modernist deck pavilion. Elevated on a wooden platform, this pergola uses wide steel beams and integrated weather screens. The addition of ceiling-mounted heaters and minimalist sofas makes this a year-round outdoor living space regardless of the temperature. 7. The glass-enclosed sanctuary. Taking steel to the next level, this pergola includes sliding glass walls and a wood-slatted accent wall with a mounted TV. It functions as a high-tech outdoor bar and lounge, blending the security of an indoor room with the views of a garden. 8. The architect's extension. A stunning cantilevered steel pergola that feels like a natural extension of a modern brick home. It bridges the gap between the indoor kitchen and the outdoor pool area, using warm wood accents to soften the dark metal frame. 9. The white brick companion. Set against a classic white brick exterior and a grand outdoor fireplace, this black steel pergola provides a sharp, modern contrast. It frames a massive sectional sofa, proving that contemporary metal structures can work beautifully with traditional masonry. 10. The slatted timber infusion. This design uses a dark steel skeleton filled with warm timber slats for the roof and sides. It offers a perfect cabana vibe, providing excellent shade and privacy while maintaining a high-design aesthetic that looks great from every angle. Modern steel pergolas represent the pinnacle of outdoor design, offering a level of sophistication and longevity that other materials simply cannot match. Whether you prefer a minimalist open-air look or a fully loaded bioclimatic system with lights and heaters, a steel frame provides the perfect foundation for a luxury lifestyle. We hope these ideas have inspired you to take your backyard project to the next level. If you enjoyed this deep dive into modern outdoor design, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for your weekly dose of architectural inspiration. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Which of these 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below and we will see you in the next video.